If you're planning on looking up at the sky tonight, you're going to want to get ready for an absolutely amazing sight, something that's going to blow you away. So the big question is, what's so special about the sky tonight? Is a star going to fall? Or are we about to see something nobody's ever seen before? Well, let's pull back the curtain on this mystery. That's right. We're talking about a truly spectacular show in the sky, a celestial event that people all over the world have been waiting for. Tonight, India will witness the last total lunar eclipse of 2025. And this isn't just any old lunar eclipse. It's also known as a blood moon. So let's dig into what a blood moon really is and why it's such a huge deal. Okay, let's break it down. What in the world is a blood moon? The name might sound a little bit intense, but the science behind it is actually really cool. So first things first, let's talk about what a lunar eclipse even is. It happens when our planet, Earth, cruises right in between the sun and the moon. When that alignment is perfect, Earth's shadow falls directly onto the moon, completely covering it. Now here's the really interesting part. During the eclipse, the moon doesn't just vanish. It turns red. And that happens because some sunlight still manages to pass through Earth's atmosphere. Our atmosphere scatters all the blue light, but it lets the red light pass through, which then bends and shines on the moon. And that is exactly why the moon appears to be glowing this brilliant, fiery red. So now that you know the science behind it, let's get to the most important question. When and how can you see it in India? Let's take a quick look at the timeline for tonight. Pay close attention here. The eclipse will begin tonight at 10 p.m. The most stunning view, when the moon is completely red, will be visible right at midnight. And this whole celestial event will wrap up by 2:25 in the morning, so you might want to set your clocks for this one. But this eclipse is so much more than just an astronomical event. It has a few other unique qualities that make it even more rare. Remember, this is the final total lunar eclipse of 2025. That means this is your last chance this year to see a red moon like this. After tonight, you're going to have to wait until next year. And here's another fascinating detail. This rare celestial event is happening during the early days of Pitra Paksha. It's a rare alignment that also makes this a unique and significant cultural moment. This meeting of science and tradition is truly extraordinary. So, are you ready to witness this rare and magnificent sight? Tonight, when you look up at that red moon, just think about how our ancestors for thousands of years must have looked at the very same view and wondered. Don't forget to look up.